only under 5 minutes and meron na kayong ganyan kagandang look. Let's get ready with our guys.
So I'm going to be using affordable items over here. So we have this one, Owen James, and then the Stamp-On eyeliner. This one and this one.
So yan yung pang maputi, no? Hindi yung
No.
pang mestiza. Pang fair skin lang po yan.
And then I'm going to use the lighter shade.
Effortless, ah.
Elsa from TV. Oh my
Pag ako na marunong.
Like that. Wait, I need a mirror for this.
Shout out namin si Tita Tatits. Bagay sa'yo to. Bye ka na. Beginner friendly siya. So that's the Owen James. So yan po yung shade na Baked Nude Apricot.
It's already.
Ang ano, ito po yung gamit niyang setting powder. Hanapin ko yan. Ha?
Now I'm done.
And she's done. We are done. Ang ganda. O, diba? Kung gusto niyo po ng ganitong look, mabilisan lang, pero cutesy, diba? Ang ganda. Kindly check the yellow basket. So, tinatamad kayo or beginner lang kayo, ganyan, ma-achieve nyo. So, please check the yellow basket. Thanks for being with us.